Want a sparkling clean pool without the hard work? Meet the Dolphin M400 Robotic Pool Cleaner, delivering powerful floor, wall, and waterline cleaning with smart navigation. Just drop it in and let it do the rest.
What's in the box?
In the box, you find the Dolphin M400 Robotic Pool Cleaner, caddy's pole, power supply, caddy's wheels, cartridge filters, cable holder, caddy's base, caddy's handle,
And user manual.
how to use. Place the Dolphin M400 Robotic Pool Cleaner into the pool and allow it to sink naturally to the bottom. Connect the floating cable to the power supply, plug the power supply into a grounded electrical outlet, and press the power/start button to begin the cleaning cycle. The cleaner will automatically navigate the pool, scrubbing the floor, walls, and waterline while capturing dirt and debris in its high-capacity filter basket. Once the cleaning cycle is complete, switch off the power, unplug the unit, and remove the cleaner by lifting it with the handle. Rinse the filter basket thoroughly with clean water, allow the cleaner to drain, and store it in a cool, dry place until the next use. How to use app. Getting started with the MyDolphin Plus app. Prepare the pool cleaner for connection. Activate the pool cleaner using your mobile smart device. LED lights. Remote control. Getting started with the remote control. Automatic mode. Manual drive mode. Maintenance. Open the filter covers and remove the filter cartridges from both sides of the robot. Open the clips and take out the filters, then rinse both the filters and the filter basket thoroughly with a hose to remove any debris. Once clean, reassemble the filter elements by inserting the locating tabs at the bottom into their grooves on the base frame, secure the clips, reinstall the cartridges, and close the filter covers.
Smart features?
Thoroughly cleans the pool floor, walls, and waterline in a single automatic cleaning cycle. Its advanced navigation ensures comprehensive coverage, leaving every surface clean and debris-free. Advanced Clever Clean technology intelligently scans your pool and follows an efficient cleaning path for maximum coverage. It minimizes missed areas and delivers a fast, thorough, and consistent clean every cycle. Dual active brushes rotate continuously to scrub away stubborn dirt, algae, and debris from pool surfaces. This powerful scrubbing action provides a deeper, more effective clean than suction alone. The top access filter basket combines fine and ultra-fine filtration to capture everything from large leaves to tiny debris. Its easy access design makes removing, rinsing, and reinstalling the filters quick and hassle-free. High-powered suction efficiently collects leaves, dirt, sand, and other debris from every part of the pool. It maintains strong, consistent cleaning performance throughout the entire cleaning cycle. Designed for effortless handling, the cleaner is easy to remove from the pool after each cleaning cycle. The top access filter basket can be quickly emptied and rinsed, making routine maintenance fast and convenient.
Specifications.
FAQs.
Safety precautions.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Dolphin M400 Robotic Pool Cleaner. See you at the next one.